Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn very simple and interesting thing in Sanskrit grammar, that is Sandhi. Okay, children, we will discuss the things. Okay, all are ready? Okay, children. Okay. So now, what is the meaning of word Sandhi? The literal meaning of word Sandhi is conjunction. Now the question is conjunction of what is called Sandhi? Conjunction of two letters. What children? Conjunction of two letters coming after one other in certain conditions is called Sandhi. Okay. Now, what are these certain conditions? We will learn them later. Let us take an example. Let us take towards ch plus api. Ch plus, see children, ch plus api, chapi is Sandhi. So, in Sandhi, a new letter comes in the place of two letters at time, at places. A new letter comes in the between two letters, either one letter changes or it gets hidden in Sanskrit grammar. Okay, Sandhi is broadly classified into three main types. What children? Sandhi is broadly classified into three main types. First one is Swara Sandhi, which means vowel based, as a Swara means vowel. Next is a Vyanjana Sandhi, which is consonant based because the Vyanjana is consonant. Next, third one is Visarga Sandhi, which means the Visarga based, first Visarga based. First, we will discuss, see about what is Swara Sandhi. As we all know, Swara means vowels. So, in Swara Sandhi, what children? In Swara Sandhi, two vowels are conjunctive. Okay, this Swara Sandhi is of four types. First is Savarna Dirgha Sandhi, second is Guna Sandhi, third we have Vritti Sandhi, last one is Yan Sandhi. Okay, in this we learn Savarna Dirgha Sandhi. Savarna Dirgha Sandhi. Okay, in Savarna Dirgha Sandhi, when the vowel is followed by its Savarna vowels, it results in Savarna Dirgha vowel. Now, we all know that a and a are savarnas of each other. So, if we make combinations of these two, we get, see, a plus a. A plus a, we will get same result a. A plus a, by adding these two, again we will get a. And by adding to a, we will again get the same result. Okay children, so in this way the addition of a and a, this savarnas pair, will always result in a, which is bigger one. So we will get this savarna dirgha sandhi. Similarly, if we add e plus e dirgha e, result will, this way combination of Risva e and dirgha e will always result in dirgha e. Next, the combination of savarna pair u plus u plus dirgha u, we will get the result u. We will get always result in dirgha u, and the combination of savarna pair Ru plus Dirgaru will always result in Dirgaru. Okay children, in this way we will get these Savarna Dirgha vowels. Okay children, 1 minute. I think in this session you all are understand the definition of sandhi and types of sandhi. All are understand? Okay. And afterwards, brief explanation of Savarna Dirgha Sandhi. Okay, next session we will discuss about the next Sandhi. Thank you, children.